Hello, this is Will and Well Armed. Today we're looking at the ASAI One Pro. This is spelled ASAI One Pro 45. It's made in Zurich, Switzerland by Oerlikon. And it's a rather nice pistol. So we'll take a look at it from the front to the back. So it does have a bull barrel. It's 45. There's zero play. So the barrel does get a little bigger in the last centimeter, half inch of the barrel to fill out that gap. So it does have a full length guide rod. The barrel is rather short. It's 3.5 inches long. The trigger, it's pretty small for glove fingers. It is rounded, but there is a nice undercut there. So you can get a nice purchase. It does feel a little bit blocky. You either love the grip or you don't. So I'm kind of halfway. I'm not a love or a hate. So what I don't like is the texture of the grips is very fine. Another gripe I would have would be the sights. There's one dot on the front. It's painted with some kind of shiny black material or super glue. Same on the rear. I did have dots there originally. And they've been, again, molested with super glue or black paint, shiny paint. Notice on the rear, the slide is internal to, the frame. So it is like a CZ97. The CZ97 is a full size, so it's almost a whole inch longer barrel. So I believe the CZ is a 4.6 inch barrel, where this is a 3.6 inch barrel. It does take the same magazine as a CZ or a large frame Tenfaglio, so magazines are not an issue. They are made by Metgar. The way you would pull it back, it's got a lot of good purchase there. There's 7 of these notches, and not only are they grooves, but they're actually outward dimples there. Again, you can tell this is a cast frame and cast slide. So here between the 7 grooves, you can see that little marking that tells you that it was cast. Also, it does have the texture on the front and rear like a Sphinx. Same thing here. You can see that slight casting haziness to it. So let's the grip is a full-size grip, so you got full 3 fingers, and even for the biggest of hands, no problem there. It is clear. There is nothing in the magazine, nothing in the chamber. We're gonna strap the magazine. This is a decocker, no safety. So all you have to do is decock it like that. From the double action, the trigger is incredible. It's got 2 types of double action. It's got the fast pull, where you just pull right through, and it's under 3 pounds. One more, 2.10. So the average is 2.10. Now, if you're going to do the slow double action, it goes up to about 4.5 pounds. So 3.13. The average is 4.5. So on the single action, 1.11 ounces. So 1.10 ounces on the single action. Very easy to shoot. The problem with it is the sights being shiny and not even blacked out. So I need to address that. Besides that, it's pretty incredible gun to shoot and play with. The way you take this down, you have to first remove the magazine. Then it does have a little notch here, but that has nothing to do with the takedown. So all you have to do is press it on this side from the normal state, and it pulls right out. It's captured, it will not come out any further, and it slides right off. So it will do that in both the cocked and uncocked. The guide rod is a full-length guide rod. The spring is coaxial. The barrel, 3.6 inches. It is a bull barrel. You can see that it tapers out slightly, just ever so slightly. It is a breech lock, so it locks here. It doesn't have the oval at the bottom like the CZ. Inside, the machinery is very nice. No wear problems anywhere. That looks a lot different than a CZ. And so, put this back together. All right. So you have to find the open place for it. There we go. And once you get it there, it goes back pretty easy back together. So sort of like a CZ, but not really. You don't have to go back, and it's captured. So, all in all, it's wonderful to shoot. My only gripe is the grips. The trigger is extremely light, so when you're reholstering, you definitely want to have your finger on the trigger. It's very safe to carry this in double action. I would not carry this in single action, no safety, and being less than 2 pounds. So if you got any questions, let me know. This is Well and Well Armed. Have a great day and be prepared.